Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel at Taras Hub. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple YouTube short using 100% free tools on Canva website. Before we begin, make sure you are signed in to save all your progress and work. Now to create a YouTube short, we need to go to mobile video. Click on that. Next, we're going to choose a template. So you can explore various templates depending on what your content is going to be about. So I am going to select a template based on Islamic themes. I'm going to choose Islamic background. So this one with the mark here, that means is paid. So we are going to choose a free one, not going to pay for anything. I'm going to select this one. So any text which is in the poster, you click on it, press delete, and that will disappear. Now you can add any quote, Quranic verse, anything you would like to for your YouTube shorts. So now next, I'm going to add text. So click on text. I want a bigger text, so I'm going to choose add a heading. You can add whichever you need. Next, I'm going to remove this and enter my own. Let's move it up a little bit. So I'm going to add a Quranic verse. So once you have entered your text, you can resize it, move up or down anywhere you would like to. You can choose the text of the color from here. There are a lot of options in the color palette. I am going to stick to the original dark brown. I think I should move a little bit up as well. Perfect. Now you can change the size of the font, decrease or increase. You can change the font style. There are plenty of the styles to choose. I recommend to use a bigger and bold fonts and styles so they stand out. So now, if you would like to animate, there are a lot of options you can use to animate. Click on that. You don't have to click on that. If you just move your keyboard onto it, so your cursor onto it, you can see. I'm going to select the burst animation. And if you decide not to have any animation, you click on remove animation. Next, I'm going to add elements. So I'm going to choose something Islamic. I will type in Islamic. And then click on see all the options. Again, I don't want to pay for anything. Keep checking until you find something you like. I like this. I'm going to select Allah and place it in the corner on the right. Yeah, I think here is fine. So you can move really your text anywhere within the poster. Here you can adjust the time. You can increase the time duration or decrease. I'm going to stick to about 10 seconds. Next, I am going to add my logo. So I'll go to uploads. My logo is already saved here. If you want to upload yours, you go to upload files and select your logo wherever you have saved from. If you don't have a logo yet, it's okay. Just play with these tools around. More you play with it, more you learn from it. And one more thing, when you are creating your YouTube shorts, don't push your text into the edges because it won't be visible in the YouTube. I will need to add another element for subscriptions or sharing reminders. You can click on CO. I actually like this one, like and share. So you position it, again, you can adjust the size. I usually like it in the middle at the bottom. So if you want to animate this, you go to animate and you choose the style you like. Let's stick to this one. Now, if you would like to add any music, audio, you go to the timeline, you click on audio. Now, if you click here, you can record your own voice. So you press here, you will record your voice, and then once you have done it, you will finish. You can simply move it if it's not in the right position and drag it. This is just the idea actually. I didn't record that long. So you can play and listen to it. So I'm going to remove track because I don't want to keep it in my video. Anything additional, don't worry about it. You can always delete or you can always undo. So rather than adding my own voice, I like to add background music. So these are appearing here because I have already searched. So you can write down Islamic background music like this. So again, we are going to use copyright free music or Islamic background tracks. Listen to it. Add whichever you like the best. So I like this one. So simply click on it and you can see the track appears here. To adjust the volume, you click on the right and you adjust the volume. If it's only the background track, you can keep the higher, louder volume. If not, you can reduce the volume to about 10, 20 or 30% like this and record your own voice. But in Canva, I don't like the AI recording. It's just not good, the free version. This is really it. Finally, try and play. See if you like it. That's it. If you're happy, go to share, download, and save it in your computer. In my next video, I will show you how to upload these shorts onto your YouTube channel. And more you play with these tools, more you will learn about it. It's actually quite fun, and you will be amazed how much is available to play with and use. If you have any questions, comment below the video. I will try my best to help you and answer any questions. If you like my video, then please share, subscribe, and enjoy it. Thank you so much.